What's up, YouTube? Ricardo from Carbs and Curbs here. We are back with another shoe unboxing. This time a reissue, reimagining, update of the classic Chet Thomas 4's from Globe. We're going to talk about the difference between this shoe and the classic reissue. But before we do, like, comment, share. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell for notifications of new content. First things first, let's unbox these new ones. See what I'm talking about here. Look at that. This is the first time I pulled them out of the box. These are really light too compared to the other ones. Those that are keen to Globe shoes will see the differences right away. I'm going to point them out really shortly. I'm going to unbox the other ones. Like we got a nice sticker and extra pair of white laces. This is the first pair of Chet Thomas 4's that I got from Globe. The major differences between the two are the outsole and the tongue. This actually has a tongue separate from the collar. This one, the tongue is actually built into the collar. This shoe was really tight right out of the box. And I tried putting it on again before I bought these ones, and I couldn't. When I seen these on the website and that they had the tongue separate from a collar, I decided to go up a half size. So these are 12s and these ones are 11.5s, and I swear to you I cannot put these on. These are way too tight. I don't know what I was doing trying to shove my feet into these. I have to retire these ones. Shoe is so iconic. Honestly, I could wear them without the laces, but they just felt like they needed to be retired. I was due for another pair of shoes. It's been over a year since I bought a new pair of shoes. I'm really stoked on these ones. Do you like some of the updates in this shoe? Let me know in the comments below. Also, the white laces look really sick in these shoes, but I think I might keep the green laces in them for a little bit. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. When I first got these, I hardly wore any other shoe. I wore these all the time. I was so stoked on those. I'm really stoked to try these ones on and give you my first impressions here. So here we go. Honestly, I'm really glad I went up a half size. These feel super comfortable. The tongues, I pulled them up really high. They're really nice and puffy. Feels really good around the toe collar. Feels really good around the heel collar. The insoles are really nice too. I can't wait to get some clips with these. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. As always, stay tuned, support your local, and thanks for watching.